Hello, I'm going to show you in GameStar Mechanic how to unlock new players in the quest. You do quests and you can unlock new players by defeating them. Oh, there's some avatars. This is the League Scout, the guy you start with. He doesn't do anything, he just walks. This is the Altar Jumper. You can't use him in these levels because you need gravity, and this isn't a gravity level that I made. This is the Archerian Marksman. He can shoot and he can kill guys, so he's pretty good. I like using him. And then there's the Navron Scout. He can go through. I'm pretty sure he can go through walls. He's pretty cool because he's a skull, and then he'll come out the other wall on the other side. Then there's the enemies. There's more stuff. I haven't unlocked everything. There's more stuff you can get. There's the League Chaser. You can change the direction he walks in, and he'll just like walk in a pattern. The Karakuri Chaser can go in anywhere. You'll put him down, and he'll go all around the map. And then there's more stuff. You have to defeat these guys to get them in the actual game in the quests.
Yeah, so you defeat them by going into the quests.
And then there's the concrete, which is these. You can't go through them. You can put one gold block. That's just the finish line. And then you can get the bonus points. These ones are worth more than these. These are just the points, and they're like food for your guy. They help him, and then there's a lot of stuff you can do. So you'll play some quest, and then you'll get some guys, and after you defeat them, you'll get more guys, and it gets harder as you go.
So basically, what you're saying is, in order to unlock cool characters, I need to go right here into the quest.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, Jack. You rock.
Yeah.